Looking for a dining experience that is both exceptional and exciting? Isang lugar na hindi lang basta kainan kundi isang destination para sa tunay na Chinese dining experience. Mula nang magbukas sila, agad sila naging paborito ng mga food enthusiasts at pamilya na naghahanap ng mga authentic Chinese flavors. Dito ay nagsuserve sila ng very authentic Chinese taste na sigurado magugustuhan mo. Perfect ito for celebration mula sa family gathering hanggang sa special occasions. At dito nga lang yan sa Hyatt House located sa ground floor ng Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, Macapagal Boulevard, Parañaque, Manila. Open sila ng 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. If you are a fan of fresh seafoods and Chinese food, I'm sure you will love Hyatt House. They serve fresh lobster, king crab, and other seafood, all by reservation to ensure the highest quality. Aside from seafood, they also offer authentic Chinese dishes that are perfect for family and friends. Hindi lang ito para sa casual dining. Kung may family gathering o special celebration ka, may mga private rooms sila na perfect for intimate special occasions and group celebration. Plus, they have a video key room for extra fun while you dine. And ito pala yung menu nila, pakipos na lang. Ang sarap kumain, no? Nag-order kami ng dim sum platter na puno ng pork siomai, chicken feet, hakaw, bean curd, at steamed short ribs. Ang bawat item ay fresh at perfect na starter para sa aming meal. For soup naman, sinubukan namin yung Westlake minced soup. Silky texture na puno ng umami flavor mula sa minced pork, tofu, at mushroom. Ang broth ay light pero flavorful. Perfect na pang warm up. Ang lasa ng soup ay rich at comforting. Swak na swak sa panahon. Hindi kami nag-stop doon. Nag-order pa kami ng pork char siu, yang chow fried rice, salt and pepper ribs, at Hyatt crispy fried chicken. Lahat ng dishes ay flavorful at talagang satisfying. Ito yung dim sum platter. Malasa at juicy yung pork siomai. May perfect blend ng pork at spices sa bawat kagat. Tender at well-seasoned ang chicken feet. Savory at slightly spicy na flavor. Yung hakaw naman, shrimp filling na malasa at fresh. Yung skin nito ay soft and slightly chewy. Tender at flavorful ang short ribs na may rich na lasa na umaabot hanggang bone. May slightly sweetness at savory notes. Very sweet and savory ng pork char siu na may caramelized glaze at tender na pork. Smoky flavor na umaabot sa bawat peraso. May onting sweetness at perfectly balanced. Etong yang chow fried rice ay packed with flavors na may perfect combination ng savory pork, shrimp, at vegetables. Crispy at savory ang salt and pepper ribs na may perfect balance ng saltiness at spiciness. Etong crispy fried chicken, napaka golden brown at crunchy sa labas with juicy and flavorful meat sa loob. Ang seasoning ay well balanced at with a hint of spice na magbabalik sa'yo para sa more.
My sheep dog.
That's like means of baby.
And syempre, unlimited hot tea. For dessert naman, mango sago. Kakaiba to dahil may halong pomelo. Pure fresh mango talaga. Sobrang happy kami sa dining experience dito. Hyatt House talaga ang perfect place para sa authentic Chinese flavors.